The phrase a cappella means singing without instrument accompaniment, and it takes a lot of skill for singers to stay on pitch that way. Well, today it is our delight to have the Quartet Afternoon Delight here in Holiday Sounds of the Suncoast. Take it away, guys.
This holiday you'll be far away and I'll be all alone. So please remember this December to fully charge your phone and text me Merry Christmas, let me know you care. Just a word or two of text from you will remind me you're still there. You don't have to add much to it, one smiley face will do. Baby, text me Merry Christmas, 'cause I'm missing kissing you. Text me Merry Christmas, make my holiday complete. Though you're far from me, say you'll BRB, that's a text I'll never delete. Use just the right emoji, one that makes me LOL. And if you text me something naughty, I promise I won't tell.
I don't care if you spell things right, I just want to hear from you tonight.
Stroke those keys with your delicate touch and type those little letters that mean so much. Ding, ding. Text me Merry Christmas, send a selfie too. If you do, I'll go neath the mistletoe and pretend my screen is you. Show me that you love me, text XO to kiss and hug me. I'll be right here waiting for my pants to start vibrating. Text me Merry Christmas, and I will text you too. This Christmas, it's the least that we could do.
Christmas carol. That's great. Well, you guys know what you're talking about, the romantic feel. I understand you're experts at marriage.
Yes. We've all been married for over 50 years, Linda.
Really? To the same person?
216 years. To the same 4 women.
Wow. And you're all members, of Course of the Keys?
Sarasota Course of the Keys, right.
So we can hear you there, but how did this quartet then form out of that?
Well, we were just in the chorus, and we like to sing quartets, and these two gentlemen have been in, they've placed 11th internationally, and Vernon is a member of the Heartbeats, a doo-wop quartet, and then there's me. So we've been together for 4.5 years.
Oh, we can tell it. You guys are great.
Well, thank you.
We'll text you how great you are. Let me tell people where they can see you. You are going to be at the Venice lighting of the Christmas tree on Saturday, December 9th. And of course, Course of the Keys is going to have a concert in February. But we want to hear you sing again. We'll be right back. But first, will you give us another song?
Sure. Just a short one.
Short one.
Short, brief.
Okay,
Pitch, pitch. All right, we need the pitch. We need the pitch.
old Mr. Kringle. Okay.
Old Mr. Kringle is soon gonna jingle the bells that'll tingle away, away. Everybody's waiting for the man with the bag, 'cause Christmas is coming again.